Suicidal tendencies that creep up on my corpus. I don't wanna do no talking. Can't you see the reaper? You go crazy, you go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will make a review of Windows 11 beta. First of all, let's see the new sounds that have changed. We can change the wallpaper in personalize here, background, change the background, change the lock screen background. We have some themes, Windows Light, Windows Dark, as you can see, dark screen. I hope this will work better than Windows 10 dark screen because in that case it wasn't working as well as macOS. Here it is black and orange, sunrise, white and light blue, flow, white and gray. Here you have new wallpapers too, the official Windows 11 beta wallpapers. With the search menu, you can search everything you want. Here, the main start menu, if you click your account, change account settings, you can create a picture from the camera or browse for a picture. I will browse for one, this one from Wave album. On Windows 11, you can also personalize the start menu. By default, it will be this new style, but if you click all apps, it will be the standard Windows 10 start menu. Bottom left, you can change account settings. Bottom right, power, sleep, shutdown, and restart. If you want to put it at the left, right click, taskbar settings, taskbar alignment to the left. You can use widgets, but you will need to have a Microsoft account. You can use virtual desktop, use touch keyboard, task view button. This task view is the new desktop. For example, let's open Firefox. Task view, bring Firefox to desktop 2. And here you will have desktop 2 with Firefox, desktop 1 with the other application. We close Firefox, we can close desktop 2 because it is empty, and we return to our desktop 1. Another new feature of Windows 11 is the updated touch keyboard. If we go into settings, we can change the layout to make it smaller like a smartphone. We can use a split screen. We can also do traditional layout like desktop computers, or we can do handwriting, but it doesn't work very well. it doesn't work very well. We return back by returning to the keyboard layout. If we click the heart button, we can add the various GIFs, various combination of characters, a lot of emojis taken from Android, different style of emoji for everything. We can also search for an emoji in particular. We can, there are GIFs, you you write something. Yeah, for example, this one is admin. Let's go back here. The various card combination, a lot of them. They weren't available in Windows 10. This is Windows 11 new feature. Here, a lot of different symbols, geometry, math, language symbols. For example, here the Russian character, Cyrillic character, Greek, and the clipboard history. By clicking X, we see the keyboard. As you can see, the old calendar, notification. It is similar to Windows 10, but as you can see here, there is a new flat layout similar to cell smartphones. For the first time, the old Internet Explorer is not present anymore. There is only Microsoft Edge. As you can see, all the icons, all the applications have this new design language with round corners and slightly updated icons such as the recycle bin or notepad, but they work in the same way even if they have a little different aesthetic. Let's go into settings. This works in the same way as Windows 10. Here on the File Explorer, you see, as I said before, new icons. And here there is a space between the files to make it easier to select them in bulk. Other things are the same aside from the new color of the new updated icon theme. Other applications such as Paint and the Windows Media Player are the same as the old Windows 7 without any changes. Here you see the new file manager with new colorful icons, with the new design even in the folder. Windows Media Player, the same as the old Windows 7 style. You can install a Windows 10 application, for example OBS Studio. The app that I'm using now to record this screen, Tor browser, VLC. Now let's see the new applications. For example, Windows Terminal. It is an only one application that put together PowerShell and command prompt. You can choose if you want to open another window at the side, PowerShell, command prompt, or Azure Cloud Shell. This feature will be appreciated by those people that use Linux on Windows with WSL2. because it is more similar to some terminal emulators used in Linux, such as GNOME Terminal. As to device drivers, I managed to install them from the official manufacturer of my laptop, Acer, for me. But it is also important to use Windows Update because there are some things, for example, .NET framework, that will be only delivered to you thanks to Windows Update. I made a mix between the two and all my devices are working fine. Even if drivers on my machine worked well, I needed to tell you that this is beta software, pre-release software. You shouldn't use it as your main system, only to play around with the new features. See you later, guys.